Building a durable deck starts with the right tools for precision and power. Best Screw Gun for Decking delivers speed, control, and consistent depth for flawless results. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it makes fastening boards quicker, easier, and perfectly secure every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Makita Screw Gun for Decking. The Makita Screw Gun for Decking is built for professionals who demand speed, durability, and precision on large decking projects. Powered by a Makita-built 4-pole motor delivering up to 4,000 RPM, this tool ensures superior fastening speed, allowing you to complete high-volume jobs efficiently without sacrificing accuracy. Whether you're installing pressure-treated lumber or composite decking boards, the consistent power output helps drive screws flush every time. One of its standout features is the high collated screw capacity range from 1 inch to 2 1/8 inch, giving you flexibility for different decking materials and thicknesses. The screw guide is thoughtfully engineered to prevent screw strip tangling, minimizing downtime and frustration on the job site. When not in use, the guide conveniently folds against the auto feed housing, making storage and transport easier. The rugged aluminum dust-proof auto feed housing provides smooth sliding action, even in demanding outdoor environments where debris and sawdust are common. This durability ensures long-term reliability and reduces maintenance concerns over time. At only 16 3/4 inches long, the compact and ergonomic design enhances control and reduces fatigue during extended work sessions. Overall, this Makita decking screw gun combines power, smart design, and job site toughness. It's an excellent choice for contractors and serious DIYers who need fast, clean, and consistent fastening performance for decking installations. Number 2. SENCO Screw Gun for Decking. The SENCO DS332 AC Screw Gun for Decking is a powerful all-purpose fastening tool designed for professionals who require versatility and reliability. Built to handle a wide variety of materials, this screw gun excels in decking, subflooring, and general construction applications. Its adjustable high-torque motor delivers speeds up to 2,500 RPM, providing the power needed to drive 1 inch to 3 inch screws into even the densest materials with ease. A major advantage of this model is the tool-free screw length adjustment. Switching between screw sizes is quick and effortless, allowing you to adapt on the fly without slowing down your workflow. This feature is particularly valuable on large projects where different fastener lengths may be required throughout the day. The patented screw strip guide system prevents misfeeds and ensures smooth operation. Reloading screws after each strip is simple and fast, keeping productivity high and reducing downtime. Additionally, the patented corner fit feed system enables access into tight spaces, making it easier to secure boards close to walls or edges. Designed with durability in mind, the DS332 AC offers solid construction suited for heavy job site use. Its balance and ergonomic grip help reduce fatigue during extended periods of fastening. Overall, the SENCO Screw Gun for Decking stands out as a dependable, flexible solution for contractors seeking efficiency, precision, and long-lasting performance. Number 3. DEWALT Screw Gun for Decking. The DEWALT Screw Gun for Decking combines cordless convenience with powerful fastening performance. Designed for demanding metal and decking applications, this tool delivers up to 2,000 RPM of consistent speed, ensuring efficient and controlled screw driving. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency and extends runtime, making it ideal for long work sessions without frequent battery changes. One of the key features is the Versa clutch system, which helps prevent damage to both materials and fasteners. By allowing precise torque adjustments, it reduces the risk of overdriving screws or stripping heads, an important factor when working with composite decking or metal framing. This system enhances both durability and professional finish quality. The built-in LED light improves visibility in dimly lit areas, such as under decks or in partially completed structures. This added illumination increases accuracy and safety while working in challenging environments. Because it is cordless, the tool provides greater mobility on large decking sites. There are no cords to limit movement or create trip hazards. The ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution further reduce fatigue, enabling better control throughout extended projects. Overall, the DEWALT screw gun for decking delivers dependable power, smart clutch control, and cordless freedom. It's an excellent solution for professionals and serious DIYers who value precision, runtime, and modern brushless motor technology. Number 4. Makita XSF05Z Screw Gun for Decking. The Makita XSF05Z screw gun for decking is engineered for efficiency, power, and battery optimization. Featuring a brushless motor that delivers 0 to 2500 RPM, this tool offers increased torque for high-demand fastening tasks. The electronically controlled motor optimizes battery energy use, providing up to 50% longer runtime per charge compared to traditional brushed models. A standout feature is Makita's push-drive technology. In lock-on mode, the motor activates only when the fastener is engaged. This not only creates a quieter working environment, but also significantly conserves battery life. For professionals working long hours, this translates into fewer battery swaps and improved workflow. The depth-adjustable nose piece with a 5/16 nut setter ensures consistent screw fastening performance. Accurate depth control is crucial when installing decking boards, since it prevents surface damage and ensures a clean, professional finish. The elimination of carbon brushes allows the motor to run cooler and more efficiently, increasing overall tool lifespan. Compact and ergonomically designed, the XSF05Z provides excellent handling and reduced fatigue. Its cordless design enhances portability, making it suitable for large decks or elevated structures where cords would be inconvenient. Overall, this Makita model offers advanced technology, energy efficiency, and dependable torque. It's an excellent choice for professionals seeking a high-performance cordless screw gun tailored for demanding decking applications.
Number 5. DEWALT DCF630B Screw Gun for Decking. The DEWALT DCF630B screw gun for decking is designed for versatility, efficiency, and user control. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers strong performance while maximizing runtime, making it well-suited for extended decking and framing projects. The wide variable speed range, along with dedicated high and low settings, allows users to optimize performance depending on substrate thickness and material type. One of its most impressive features is the 4 dedicated tool modes. Users can switch between trigger mode high speed, trigger mode low speed, push start mode, and lock-on mode. The top-mounted electronic mode selector enables quick, one-handed adjustments, increasing efficiency and ease of use on the job site. The adjustable nose cone ensures consistent screw depth, which is essential for achieving a clean, professional decking finish. Proper depth control reduces material damage and improves overall fastening reliability. Additionally, the built-in LED light enhances visibility in dim workspaces, improving accuracy and safety. Designed with compact size and balanced weight, the DCF630B helps reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Its cordless operation provides excellent mobility without the limitations of extension cords. In summary, the DCF630B combines modern brushless efficiency, customizable operation modes, and ergonomic comfort. It is a strong contender for professionals seeking a dependable and flexible screw gun specifically suited for decking applications. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.